Mlaleli wami, uzokhumbula ukuthi uXolani wesizokuthola show wake wakhuluma mayelana nalento ekuyona ethandwa njengamanje ekuyi-case exposwe uMkhwanazi. Ngaphandle komusa isikhathi sakho, bamba le video yakhe uXolani ekhuluma mayelana nalolu daba, bese mina nawe sihlangana kwi-comment section izuvo lakho mayelana nalolu daba. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe wenze sure ukuthi uyalike ivideo ukuze njalo masifana ishisa kube wena oyithola kuqala.
And at some point in Durban, you passed a rich drug dealer. You get a whole brigadier who's in charge of a unit or a department in SAPS. Bamfonele bamtshela ukuthi wena, tell your people to stand down. What are you doing there? At some point at Durban sike sabuya sigijima mos. Sahlangabezwa amabheke emarobotini tebafite hey la ngathi izoshuba. Saphuma out. Because of we didn't do a proper risk assessment in terms of Lomuntu Lobesium. When you had the intelligence with Lomuntu is a drug dealer and he's big. And our drugs were prepared in down so. But in terms of the influence that he had, we didn't quite make sure what he is under Samba's favor. So lapho verify ibam. So if you verify ibam, let's check. Is right or is wrong. Imagine you are at a place to bust a big criminal, then they turn around and make you look like a criminal yourself. And how police are told to stand down. What back Chigel? I'm not ready to lose my job now. I want to I'm totally useless. But magazines, I got phone play like Spanish when I want them pitching a remote, bomb control over day. Only 7 in a remote. So it shows good. Like this is what say to Sawanda Bamyama, you see me receive for Grand Shop. I want to be Basekasi, be made about the Grand Shop. The next thing was I'm a program, I'm a drug awareness. Drug awareness for what? People know about drugs. You cannot know about drugs better than the person who's suffering from drugs. You cannot know the effect of drugs better than no mama or salanum mama drugs. Then you come and give them a nice English speech about hey, this, that. Those people need solutions.